again come for our online classes. So we have to revise all the chapters one by one. So today we will revise the first chapter, that is the fun they had. So students, as you know, the theme of this story is schools of the future. So there are two characters and they are sister and brother, Margie and Tommy. So Margie is 11 years old girl and Tommy is 13 years old girl. And the main theme is that the story is set in the future. So this is the time of 2157. That is the year running 2157, and they are living in 2018. And therefore, as the story is set in future, so that time there would not be classes, schools, school buildings like these buildings and schools we have today. So suddenly the story starts and Margie tells that Tommy got a real book. So real book means the books which have words, and like the book we have today. So they are so much surprised. Margie has never just seen any book like that. So she was so much surprised how the words are written. Whenever she comes to the same page, she gets the same word. So it was just much more surprising for them. Because Tommy was older, so he was more experienced, and therefore he tells Margie that in past time, in ancient time, our great grandfathers had schools and they had school buildings. Students went to the school all together. They had their teachers in the human form. So it was just a great thing for them. Now the time that is, though it is set in future, so they don't go to school and they have no school buildings. There is a classroom that is next to their room, and there is a robotic teacher, and there is e-classes, and whenever there is a question, the robotic teacher answers. Time to time robotic teacher needs some improvement, or sometimes it needs some, like software, it needs some updating, and there is an inspector, county inspector, that comes and resolve the problem. So it is all electronic medium, not the medium we have today. So Margie does not like the e-classes because it is so much lengthy, and they have to sit before the screen and concentrate to just look at them continuously. So once, as I have already told you, that the system had some problem. So Margie wanted that the system should be taken to the county, for the repairment to the county inspector, and it must take even at least 1 month. But county inspector comes and rectifies the problem at the same day. So just Margie was again hopeless because she wanted to have fun for 1 month if it was sent to county inspector's home for repair. As I have told you while teaching the chapter in detail, that they compare their classroom, they compare their teaching, the classrooms, to the classrooms of the past time. So that time Margie comes to know that the teacher was in human, he was a human being, and he resolved the problem of the students in the classroom all together, and the students returned to their home all together. So they had great fun. Finally, comparing the system and the situation they have to the situation of the past time, Margie concludes that they had great fun. Their great grandfathers had great fun because they enjoyed the outside world. Otherwise, they have to be confined in their households. And therefore, the school system, the school buildings, the teacher of that time had it was much more exciting. It was much more encouraging. So they got the fun. It was great fun for them, not for Margie and Tommy, because they are confined in a room. So students, I hope this story is clear to you. Now this much is clear, and just prepare it, the question and answers I have already given you, and prepare the chapter for your coming unit test. Thank you.